the U.S. is home to places that seem to break the rules of nature. Start with Lost Lake in Oregon. Every spring, the entire lake disappears. Water drains straight into a lava tube like a giant sinkhole, leaving nothing behind until it slowly refills later in the year. Now, head to Wyoming and the Devil's Hole. This geothermal spring looks like a normal pool, but divers have never found the bottom. It seems to go on forever, earning its reputation as a bottomless pit. And finally, the Appalachian Mountains. They're some of the oldest mountains on Earth, forming over 480 million years ago. That means these peaks were here before trees even existed. From disappearing lakes to endless springs to mountains older than forests, the U.S. is full of natural wonders that feel unreal.